Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Friday, August 30. The Ministry of Education is moving quickly to provide additional sixth form places for high school students this academic year. The ministry says it has received information that there are students who have recently completed the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CAC examination and are unable to find a place in sixth form. In response, the ministry is exploring the extension of existing sixth forms into the afternoon to provide more places. Affected students are invited to register with the ministry by Friday, September 6 by telephone at 282-1352 or by email to placement@moey.gov.jm. They must have a minimum of 5 CSEC subjects including Math and English A. The Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, is urging parents who are still shopping to use the supplementary list endorsed by the Ministry of Education and the National Textbook Rental Scheme to offset the impact of higher textbook costs this year. The CAC has just released its annual textbook survey for 2013, revealing that Jamaicans will pay an average increase of 10% for textbooks this academic year. Secondary textbooks averaged the highest increase, moving up by 13%, while primary texts are costing 6% more. In terms of availability, 73 of the 126 books surveyed were readily available in the bookstores. The annual school textbook survey was conducted between August 12 and 15. The Commission is encouraging schools to list only textbooks that are essential and that will be utilized by teachers and, where possible, facilitate students who have older editions of prescribed texts. Bookstores are implored to assist purchasers to identify updated versions of books and sell old stock at lower prices. Expect to see a turnaround in the country's unemployment levels very soon. That's the word from Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kelliher. Speaking at a recent press conference, Minister Kelliher pointed to proposed investment projects like the Global Logistics Hub and the Agri-Parks Initiative, which are expected to create jobs. These, he said, should result in a decline in the 16.3% unemployment rate.
The jobs will come, but now that stability has come back, that is an encouraging sign to the business people, both locally and those overseas. So we expect to see some reversal of this 16.3% going forward.
Minister Kelliher also encouraged individuals to see entrepreneurship as an alternative and to take advantage of financial support provided by the government and other entities. Residents in Kingston and St. Andrew now have an added outlet to report their local government concerns with the launch of a mobile application called Love Clean KSA. Smartphone users will be able to download the application, which will allow them to post pictures of dangerous potholes, building code breaches, littering, uncollected garbage, defective streetlights, and other issues. Speaking at Tuesday's launch, Kingston's Mayor Angela Brown-Burke said the initiative was part of a broader campaign to improve the aesthetics of the city. Local Government Minister Noel R. Scott, meanwhile, urged Jamaicans to support the effort and encouraged other parish councils to try to develop similar programs.
It's not possible for the KSA or the councils or the mayor, or deputy mayor, or staff members or the NSW for that matter alone to maintain the sanitation and to develop the clean culture that we require. So therefore we are using this opportunity to try to bring our citizens to be actively participating in your surroundings.
And finally, as government moves to develop an efficient public transportation system island-wide, approximately 541 public passenger vehicle PPV drivers and conductors received formal certification recently. It's part of an ongoing training program offered by the Heart Trust NTA in collaboration with the Transport Authority. Speaking at the certification ceremony, Transport Minister Dr. Omar Davies encouraged the participants to commit to providing excellent service at all times.
I'm urging all of you to recognize yourselves, not just as someone involved in a hustle, but as professionals into a critically needed sector for the development of the society.
Minister Davies also informed that dialogue had begun with bus operators in rural areas in the hope of developing a school bus system for students. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.